So what do we have for this update number 9?
I won't stop till I wear the crown.
We're gonna start with eye products, and first we're gonna talk about this cream eyeshadow that I have for the prompt collecting cobwebs. I've used it 10 times since the last update. My goal is to finish it. Of course, I've used it on my lid either as a base or as an actual eyeshadow, but I've also tried to use it as a transition shade, and it was pretty difficult to capture in picture, but I like to try to use it in different ways. And as it's not finished yet, it's staying in the project. My next eye product is for the prompt a matte product, and it's this water activated gel liner from Glisten in the color custard. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I was 3 uses short to reach that goal last update, but I've used it 3 more times since the last update, and so I've reached my goal. As you can see on the pictures, I tried to use it in new ways. In the first look, I used it as an inner lid liner in a brown eye look. In the second look, I tried to use it as a graphic liner, and I struggled so much to try to make sharp lines. And in the third look, I made a swarm of little dots, and I made the dots with custard and with frosting, which is the liquid eyeshadow that we're gonna talk about next. It looks a little bit strange on the pictures, but I really liked it in real life. And so the next product is this liquid eyeshadow from Glisten in the color Frosting. It's in the project for the prompt eyeshadow. My goal is to use it 10 times, and I've used it 5 times so far. You've already seen the first look with the little dots. For the second look, I used it in my inner corners with a brown and blue and emerald eyeshadow look. Then I tried again to do some graphic liner, and I used it as a double liner in a soft pink look. After that, I used it in the center of my lid on top of a green eye look. And I'm showing you pictures from different angles so that you can grasp the shift from gold to green. And in the last look, I simply used it as a liner with a copper warm eye look. And now let's talk lip products. The first one is this gloss that has been in the project for the longest time. It's from L'Oreal, and it's in the color Disco Ball. I've used it 10 times since the last update, which is an average number. My goal is to finish it. I've used it 82 times since it has been introduced in the project, and so it's staying. And I forgot to say that it's for the prompt in it for the long haul. Then we have my red lip lacquer for the prompt Joker. I've used it 4 times this past month, which is not bad for me, and my goal is also to finish it, so it's also staying in the project. The last lip product has been introduced in the project last update. It's for the prompt Affordable, and it's a liquid lipstick from Maybelline in the color Self Starter. It doesn't look like the color of the packaging, and it always looks more red than it is in pictures. In real life, I find that it's more of a dark orange. Anyway, I've used it 3 times. I want to use it 10 times, so it's staying in the project as well. And the last family of products is highlighters. I have a liquid one and a powder one. The liquid one is for the prompt in it for the long haul, and my goal is to finish it. I've used it 28 times since the last update, so absolutely every day where I wore makeup. I've used it 88 times, and it's staying in the project. And the powder highlighter is a gold loose highlighter. It's my second Joker. My goal is also to finish it, and I've used it 12 times this last month, so it's pretty good. Of course, it's staying in the project, and I've used it 32 times so far. We only have 1 rollout this month, so 1 new card to pick. My deck, my Joker. Ten of Spades is for Wish You Returned. So I live in Europe, and in my country there's no such thing as a returning product, at least not the one you've tried. You can return only unopened products. Therefore, I don't have any product like that, so I'm gonna pick another card. Six of Hearts is my oldest product. I can pick my oldest product in any category, but I don't know which one I'm gonna choose yet. So I've chosen my oldest eyeshadow. It's in this mini Stila palette. There's also a blush and a glittery blue eyeshadow that I have already worked on in this project, and this time I'm gonna work on the black matte eyeshadow, and my goal will be to use it 10 times. It will be more than enough. There's no way I'm trying to pan this eyeshadow. The pan is as big as the blush one. So that's it, one eye product out and one eye product in. For next update, I might reach my goal on these two products. So that's it for this update. You can check the playlist to watch everyone's update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!
I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.